The use of bar models is one of the visualization strategies used in the Singapore math program. Using bar models, students can represent simple and multi-step word problems in a way that helps make abstract problems more concrete. The first thing you need to do is read the problem. Mrs. Nelson is going to buy food for a party. One tray of sandwiches serves 9 people. How many trays should Mrs. Nelson buy for 28 people? The next thing I have to do is rewrite the question in sentence form, leaving a space for the answer. So I'm going to write that Mrs. Nelson should buy blank trays. Now, I have to determine who and or what is involved in the problem. In this problem, there's Mrs. Nelson. There are the sandwich trays that she wants to buy. She has to serve 28 people, and she knows that each tray serves 9 people. So I'm going to draw the unit bar. This problem is a part-whole model, so I'm going to draw 1 bar. And this 1 bar is going to represent all of the 28 people that she needs to serve. I'm going to label it trays because I'm going to use it to figure out how many trays she needs to buy. I'll put a question mark at the end so that I'll remember that I'm trying to figure out the total number of trays, and I'll write that number in my sentence statement at the end. So, now I have to correctly compute the problem. If I have 28 people to serve, and each tray has enough sandwiches for 9 people, I'm going to divide the 28 total people into groups of 9. I would get 3 groups, but I would have a remainder of 1. So now I have to figure out what this means. I have to interpret this answer. Well, if I take 28 and I want to divide it into 3 equal groups, I know that 9 times 3 is 27. So I have this 1 left over. So I have this remainder of 1 here. Each of these shows a tray of 9 sandwiches. So the question asked, how many trays should Mrs. Nelson buy for 28 people? This is 1 tray, the 2nd tray, the 3rd tray, and since I have 1 more person left over, I have to buy a 4th tray. So Mrs. Nelson should buy 4 trays.